This video shows how to replace the front bezel module on a PowerEdge R250. Before you begin, power off the system and disconnect all of the attached peripherals. Ensure that you always use ESD protection when working inside the system. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/PowerEdge manuals. For the front bezel, first unlock the bezel using the key provided with the system. Rotate the key in the clockwise direction to unlock the front bezel. Now, press the release button to disengage the front bezel from the system. Now slowly pull the left side of the front bezel away from the system, and then unhook the right end of the bezel from the system. To replace the front bezel, first place the bezel tabs into the bezel slots. Then, press the bezel into the system until the release button clicks into place. Now, lock the front bezel using the key provided with the system by rotating the key in the counterclockwise direction. You have replaced the front bezel on a PowerEdge R250. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/PowerEdge manuals.